Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to discuss some enhancements we've made to the report generator for release TNG R3.6. Specifically what we've done is we've added the ability to output XYZ min and max values for the part, the stock, and operations. This is helpful for people, for example, that might want to know exactly how deep their machining operation is going, or so the operator can basically make sure that the part is set up identically in a TNG as it is on the machine. It was requested by some of our mold making customers, and we think it's going to be very valuable. Let's go ahead and take a look at a few examples. So here's a simple file where I just have one operation and one workpiece with one work offset. So let's go ahead and see what happens when I create a report. I'm going to go File, Publish. I'm going to say Create Report, and I'm going to use my single workpiece report. So what it does is we basically give you the ability to output the min and max XYZ of the part and the operation and the stock. And this is all with respect to the work offset. So if you have multiple work offsets, we'll output this multiple times. You can output the work offset name as well. This way you'll be able to understand where these numbers are coming from, what work offset they're with respect to. So this is the most simple example. Let's go ahead and take a look at an example where we have multiple work pieces and multiple operations. So here's our next example. If I take a look at the machine, you'll see I have mounted the workpiece twice and I have many work offsets. So let's go ahead and create a report again. Publish, create report. And I do have to have a separate template because the way that the report generator works, you need to have a separate template based on if you have multiple work pieces. So I'll go ahead and make my report. And you'll see we have the same things, min and max XYZ of the part and of the stock. Then when we get down, to operations, basically what we do is we don't output it based on the work offset like multiple. So if you have 3 work offsets, since an operation has its own work offset, we only output it based on that. The numbers are based on the work offset it's associated with. So I did print out the operation name as well as the work offset, just so you can kind of get a visual representation of what you're actually getting. And you'll see we print out all the numbers. So it's very useful, and I think it's very good. So you'll be able to find these templates inside of the training documents so that you can play around with them. You can go through the tutorial to see how they've been created. And I hope you really like this. Thank you so much.